Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Karli for anyone who is new, and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm doing a what I eat in a day. So I have been doing my like health and fitness challenge or journey or whatever you want to call it for spring and summer for like 6 weeks now, and I've lost 5 pounds. So I'm like feeling really good. I'm really proud of myself, and I've just been doing a lot of little things here and there to help me lose the weight. And so I just want to show you guys what I eat in a day, and I'm going to also show you guys the app I track my food on. So I do count my calories. I don't know that I love counting calories, but I feel like right now it's been really helpful for me. I feel like it's one of the biggest factors into how I've lost weight, is just knowing exactly how much I've been eating and how many calories a day I eat and stuff. And so I've been tracking that, and then I also just drink a ton of water, and then I exercise like 5 to 6 days a week. So I've just been working really hard and trying to eat healthy so I can just be fit and feel confident this summer, and I'm really excited. But I just wanted to show you guys the app I use to track what I eat. So it's called Cronometer. Hi. And it's this orange guy right here. Let's see. This guy. And so I put in my breakfast. So I put in 2 eggs, a slice of bread, and some unsweetened almond milk, and I need to add the butter because I just ate a teeny bit of butter. But I try and make sure I add everything just so I don't kind of overeat or not realize exactly how much I'm eating. So I'm gonna say, so I added the butter, and then I'm just gonna, I don't like feel super stressed about adding vegetables or not. I feel like they don't even have that many calories, and I feel like if I'm gonna go over because I didn't add my vegetables, I feel like that's totally fine. And then also a side note, I do intermittent fasting. So yesterday I stopped eating at 6:30, and right now it's 10:45, and I just finished breakfast. So I ate breakfast at 10:30. So I go 8 hours eating and then 16 hours fasting. So I feel like that helps me it helps my stomach digest, and it just kind of gives my body a break from digesting the food. So I really enjoy intermittent fasting, and then just eating healthy. I'm still trying to get 10,000 steps a day, and I'm just trying to drink lots of water, and those are the things I've been doing to help me lose weight. It was something in the air. It was something in the air. it's snack time for me, and I'm just going to do some hummus and vegetables, and here I am weighing my hummus. I like to use the grams portion of the weigh scale just to make sure it's really accurate. We're going to a movie and I'm bringing this drink in, and we're gonna get a treat at Sprouts for me. Isn't that right?
I don't think we have time.
Yeah, we do. Now it's time for dinner, and I'm gonna make a quinoa bowl. So I'm gonna take 1 cup of quinoa and I'm gonna put it in this strainer. I'm gonna rinse it out, and then I'm gonna cook the quinoa in my Instant Pot. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. It's 6:30 p.m. I just finished eating, and now I'll be fasting until tomorrow morning at 10:30. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Hopefully it gave you some ideas of recipes, and I'll put all the recipe links down below so you can try them yourself. But I will see you guys in my next video. It was something in the air.